In this video, I'm going to show you how to open After Effects project files in older versions. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So step number one is check compatibility between versions. Before attempting to open a newer project file, it is essential to check if your version of After Effects is compatible with the file format. Step 2. Save the project as an XML file to make the project accessible in older versions of After Effects. Step 3. Install any required third-party plugins. If the new project file uses third-party plugins that aren't installed in your older version. Step 4 is open and adjust the XML file. Step 5 is going ahead save the project in the older version format. And as always, thank you for watching.